Hello, just making this video because I have a real issue with my Jeep Liberty. It's a 2005 and I have some serious issues with the radio. The radio wasn't working. The interior light doesn't working, and also the keyless entry. My control wasn't working. There was like electrical problem, and what I did, I went to check my manual, and I was looking for the fuses, which fuse were with the radio, and I find out there is a fuse which is number 34 right here, 34, and it's a blue color, 15 amps, and so basically what I did, I replaced it with this here. It's kind of hide it on the white color. Take this out and replace it for a new one, and that fixed my problem. Now my radio is working, my interior lights working, and the keyless entry is working. So everything was fixed with one fuse that I just replaced it. So I hoping this can help somebody else to how fix this problem, because it's a real problem and looks like something complicated, but it's easy. So this is the fuse that has to be replaced if you have that problem. Alright, thanks.